When our dog passed recently, we had to find a way to come up with a memorial to keep in the house. He'd been part of our life for a long time, and we were looking for something special so that we'd always have him around with us. We decided to go to 3dcrystal.com. My son chose this diamond-shaped crystal, which has a beautiful 3D representation of our beloved pet. And then we also got this 2D crystal which we hang in the window, and now he can always look outside and watch the people passing by on the streets. And when the sun comes in the afternoon, the prism casts rainbows in the living room, and it just sort of like he's still bringing light into our life after he's gone. Crystals are everything we expected them to be. They're beautiful. They came right on time and were packaged really safely, so they were secure and no worries about them being damaged in transport. We're very happy with what we decided to go with.